So you've hit 1,000 subscribers, you have your watch hours, but YouTube still says monetization rejected due to reused content. Like, what does that even mean? And why is it happening to you? In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible and show you how to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to well, to click the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are very much welcome. On this channel, as you all know, I teach you how to grow on YouTube, avoid mistakes, and get monetized the right way. So if that's something you want, hit the subscribe button and let's get right into the video. Now, what is reused content? Let's start with the basics. Reused content simply means you are using content that is already available online without adding so much value to it, without adding enough original value to it. This includes movie clips without proper editing. We have compilation videos. We have the TikTok reposts that you see around on social media. We have other people's videos that are uploaded on the YouTube space, right? Even if you didn't mean any harm, sincerely, YouTube may still reject your monetization because it tags it as reused content. What is reused content? Let's start with the basic. Reused content simply means using content that is already available online, right? You getting to upload another video that probably you found somewhere without adding enough original value to it, right? This includes movie clips that has been uploaded already without proper editing. We have the TikTok reposts that we see online, right? We have also compilation videos. We have other people's videos that are being uploaded. So guys, these are examples of what reused content is. Even if you do not mean any harm to it, right? Even if you didn't mean any harm, YouTube is still going to reject your monetization because they tag all of that as reused content. Why YouTube rejects it? YouTube wants creators to bring something new and original, something that they can call theirs, right? If your video looks like something viewers have seen somewhere else, right? YouTube have no reason to monetize that particular content. They see it as you being lazy, right? So it is not just about creating content. It is not just about using content. It's about how you can transform that content, how much you can transform it to be yours. So that is why YouTube automatically rejects anything that has to do with reused content. Now, what counts as original content? Your content can still be approved if you add commentaries, if you had obviously voiceover commentaries, you show your face and explain things just like how I'm doing. Like, you just show your face and you say whatever it is you want to say based on the video you're trying to upload. When you also edit clips with meaning and structure, of course, and also you tell a story or give analysis about that story or whatever it is you're planning to do in that particular video. So that's what we call transformative content that you probably saw somewhere and you decide to add commentary to it. Content that you saw somewhere, you decide to edit it and add some things, or you tell a story, you give analysis about it, you edit the clips with meaning, right, and structure. So that is what original content can be counted as. Let's say, for example, you are in movie niche, you are in the movie niche. Do not just post the scenes, explain it, explain the story, break it down and add your own voice. Like, it's now you coming to explain what you know about that story. Probably you've seen the movie and you now want to talk about it. So you explain it, you break it down completely, give different analysis to each scene as the viewers might have seen before. You get to give your own review about such a movie. That's for those that are in the entertainment niche, most especially the movie niches. Signs your channel will be rejected. Now, let me give you some warning signs. No voiceover in your videos, repetitive content with little change. We have same style across all social media platforms. Like, if a viewer has seen this particular video on Facebook, coming to YouTube, seeing the exact thing on Facebook, on YouTube, and also going to TikTok and seeing the exact thing, right? It is same content with no obvious change at all, right? Overuse of raw clips is still the same thing. Like, if you want to actually make it content yours, if you want to have your content on YouTube and you've seen that content somewhere else and it's not originally yours, make sure you try to make a very obvious change on it, right? Make sure you add voiceovers to your videos. Make sure you are doing 1 or 2 edits in that video, right? Do not just be lazy about it. That is what YouTube kicks again, do not be lazy about your content, right? If you really want to earn money from it, then you have to work for it. Do you understand? That's what this whole reduced content logic is all about, right? Do not be lazy about your content. Oh, I want to earn on YouTube. What are you going to do about it? What do you want to do about it? How do you want to earn? Do you just want to copy and paste? It's not going to work on YouTube. YouTube is a very strict place. So guys, it is something you really need to sit tight and buckle up on, because if you are planning to just repost, then trust me, at the long run, your channel is going to be rejected based on reused content. All right. So now, how to fix reused content? How to fix reuse content. Now, this is how to fix it. It's not a hard thing to do. It is not rocket science, right? It's something you have to prove, all right? Add voiceovers to your videos, edit your videos properly, add obvious changes to your videos, add commentary, explanation, storytelling, whatever it is that comes to your head. Make sure your content feel like it is your own, not just a copy version. Do you understand? Also, edit your videos properly, right? Edit properly. Wherever it is you see that, oh, I can add something to this place, you make sure you add it. Just calm down and put your head on that video so that it can, when people see, they know that, oh, this person put a lot of effort in this, so it is now this person's content, right? I hope you understand how to fix reused content. And if you've been applying before, fixing your content, once you're done fixing, you try to reapply, and definitely you will get a positive feedback, as long as you have edited your videos and you have made it look like it is yours. You have put in the work to obviously prove that, oh, I did this, I did that on this particular video. It is no longer the video you saw on the social media platform. It is now my video because I edited it using this and that, right? You can understand this better if you've seen the previous video about how to appeal on YouTube based on reused content. Lastly, guys, do not rush monetization. All right, focus on building a channel that is original. Focus on building a channel that is valuable, that is engaging. All right, because once you get it right, you won't need to worry about YouTube rejecting your channel again. If this video helped you to understand why YouTube rejected your monetization, do also give this video a thumbs up. I will be seeing you guys in my next video upload. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share for more YouTube tips. I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Until next time.